Namhlanje kumhla ka-2 June, we were having a meeting to conduct a draw of the semi-finalists and the review of the quarterfinals, as well as planning for the 17th, which is the semi-finals in 2 weeks' time. So Guma quarterfinals, we had 8 schools, 4 from netball and 4 from football. So the draw was conducted and everybody was happy. Although abanye bebe tension ukuthi bathole isikole mhlawumbe ababona ukuthi isikhulu kunesinye, which is anyway, that is the importance of competition. So as uMhleli Foundation, we are happy about that and it looks exciting. There is more excitement after my semi-finals going to the finals. And likewise, my netball, there was so much of excitement because kube khona izikole eziqondane kwi-soccer zaphinde zaqondana na kwi-netball. So this creates that competitiveness that we are looking for. So after that, then we reviewed what happened in the quarterfinals and all the challenges that were there and all the good things that we experienced. So we tried to iron up that and see what going forward, how do we correct and where do we improve. Then coming to planning for the next semi-finals. So there's a couple of things that we emphasized on, like security, and as well as my dignitaries A2S or inviter, the setup of a stadium, how do we position the marquees, and who do we invite in Ghana, how do we manage in Ghana, because a lot of things went out of hand. People were excited last week and we lost as in izinto which is happening in. So we plan for that, and next we have another meeting to iron up also further issues. Nabantu abanikezwe ama-task ukuthi ba-perform, they go investigate and come back and submit of what they found out and what do we need to do going forward. So that is a follow-up meeting ngomhla ka-9 June esibusisiwe, where we'll be finalizing what people were given to do. Then following that, it will be the last meeting the following week, just before ama semi-finals. Ukuthi ke manje ke yonke ke into isimi ngomumo, sesilinda ukuthi ke singene groundini, wonke ube mnandi, wonke umuntu athokoze. Thina ke uMhleli Foundation sithanda ukubonga LOC, ama-legends, o-coordinator, no-referee, nabo bonke abantu aba-involved kule process. So sithanda ukubonga kubo bonke, sithi wozani nonke nizobona nayindumezulu eyenziwa uMhleli Foundation.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi siparticipateile kuMhleli tournament. Kusijabulisile lokho cause kuvuselela ibhola ezikoleni okuyinto esiyidinga, cause we are believing as an educators ukuthi an active mind comes from an active body. So i-team yethu ready kuthi nakakekho ebesimdinga nesingamdingi, nombani ophambi kwethu suke sesazi ukuthi unebhadi lothu sekudlukile. Siya kwi-semi-final, ngizophinda futhi mangithola ithuba lokukhuluma kwi-final going forward sesiwinile ukuthi hayi no nakho bengikusho. I-team edlala namathuba esizwe, unfortunately is not a game of amathuba, le a game of football. So sebe out kwi-final nakhona ozohlangana nathi usesebhadini. Siyawina nje, asiconcede lutho. Siyabonga uMhleli ukusibuyisela ibhola emandeni. Sicela aqhubeke, singothisha sijabulile nezingane futhi ziyajabula, ziyakhala phekwa.
Kune-tournament kaMhleli esesidlala safika kuma-semi-finals azoba ngomhla ka-17 kwaNceda Omhlophe, lapho esiqhathwe khona neSinyabosi omakhelwane bethu. I-netball nakhona izodlala neSinyabosi, kuthi nayo isoccer idlale neSinyabosi. So lapho impela hayi kuzobe ibulalana, abafana bami bakulindele impela, bebesho ukuthi sengathi bengathola sona iSinyabosi ukuze kubonakala ukuthi obani baya kwi-final. Koyolala ibonele impela nje, ukuthi kushaya iy'khathi zantambama hayi sobe sesijabula, sesiphindele ekhaya, sesiwinile i-final. Sengilinda ukuthola ngathi ngathola noma umgandeni kwi-final, ngoba vele hayi sesingenile noma yikanjani. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Ngingaqala ngakho nje ukuthi ngibonge kuMhleli ngokuthi asenzele ithuba elihle lokuthi sibone abadlali, sibone izikole ezidlala. Angizukukhuluma kakhulu ngalokho, kodwa engakusho ukuthi uba sisima semi-finals impela siyimisele ngokuthi sabe size sifike kuma-finals nakhona siyadlula impela sibheke ekuthenini siyithathe indebe. Engakusho-ke kodwa-ke okunye ukuthi-ke ibuhlungu lento yokuthi bengikhatha nengoba kabili ku-netball bephinde futhi nakwisoccer, kodwa-ke akusenani-ke bayobona ukuthi bamisa kanjani nenkomo yamisa ngempondo.